It's game night.
Ooh, game night?
Game night.
It's game night. It's game night. It's game night. It's game night.
Do you experience a rush of excitement on game night? You want to win so badly that nothing or anyone shouldn't get in your way. What if, though, the television in your living room becomes a distraction? You are losing, and that stinks.
I hate that game.
Poor presentation, players who are concealed, and reduced frame rates all contribute to this. What if I told you that you could alter that? For more, watch the video.
We got you covered.
Display. TCL 4K TVs provide a respectable display with deeper blacks and a greater contrast ratio, making them ideal for gaming and viewing movies. A television with deeper darks makes it easier to see the characters in dark movie sequences. You need a really high-quality display in order to have an interesting gaming experience because you wouldn't want to embarrass yourself in front of your brothers. The viewing angle is lower, which is bad news for fans of movies, games, and sports because we need to see all the action develop, and that can't be reached with the TCL 4K TVs, even though these 4K TVs have deeper darks and reasonable contrast rates.
Still, it's not so bad.
Therefore, LG is here to provide for you. In order to give you a broader viewing angle for all of your shows, games, and sporting events, LG is here. You receive flawless picture accuracy, bright hues, and eye-blinding contrast rates. The gloomy sequences in the Netflix series displayed incredibly deep blacks with plenty of information in the shadows when I watched them on my TV in Dolby Vision Cinema home picture setting, and according to LG OLED's iconic self-lit pixels shine brighter than before with the light boosting algorithm, light control architecture, and other refinements driven by Alpha 9 AI processor 4K Gen 6. The ports are yet another crucial component, and we will see why. Ports. The quantity and caliber of a television's ports will affect how enjoyable your gaming experiences are. The ideal gaming setting is provided by the 4K 120Hz with HDMI 2.1 compatibility. Every movement will be fluid, there won't be any frame drops, and the players will look incredibly alive. But not all models provide a 120Hz refresh rate. Some models only have 60 Hz, thus the movement wouldn't be as fluid as it would be with 120 Hz.
Yeah, that's a bummer, man.
The players won't move in the manner you want them to because of some rate decreases. With support for 4 HDMI 2.1 connections and 4K 120Hz, the LG C3 family of televisions allows you to connect multiple gaming consoles and enjoy stutter-free gameplay. On the LG C3, we played a few games like Call of Duty and Assassin's Creed, and we instantly fell in love. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews and news if you're looking for gaming televisions or any television to suit a specific purpose. We didn't want to end since it was so thrilling and there was nothing to be unhappy about. Let's find what gaming interface would best suit us. Gaming. The TCL 4K TVs are superb for gaming, as we have established. Everything you need to win that game night is there, including good images, connectors for connecting external devices, a smooth refresh rate, and all of the other features mentioned. But is the 4K 120Hz with HDMI 2.1 just sufficient to fulfill your goal for a gaming experience?
That's a good question.
On the other hand, the LG C3 offers support for VRR, ALLM, FreeSync Premium Pro, and NVIDIA G-Sync in addition to 4K 120Hz. When the game's Game Optimizer image mode is enabled, a transparent game dashboard menu with settings for game genre picture presets, VRR, black stabilizer, and darkroom modes, as well as information on the game's frames per second rate, displays. And it doesn't in any way interfere with your game session. A game changer in terms of gaming performance is the LG C3's 9.2 milliseconds input lag.
Switching up the input to my PS5, we can see the video output information showing that the LG Evo C3 will support variable refresh rate all the way up to 120 Hz with a 4K resolution. Let's see how it looks and performs on God of War Ragnarok. The LG C3 has a built-in gaming center which I'll leave on so you can see how the frames per second are variably changing in game. We can see that VRR is set to on and low latency is also set to on with more customizable options. This game looks stunning on this OLED TV and you will not be disappointed. HDR looks incredible. HDMI 2.1 really helps lock you into next gen console performance, whether that be PS5 or Xbox Series X.
Still not convinced yet? Then check out our next video to clear all your doubts about the LG C3.